Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make pineapple ginger detox for your kidney. I'm so excited. See, one full pineapple, that's what we need. But I'm going to tell you the benefits of pineapple ginger juice. Okay, you can make different two type of juice from pineapple. There are two types. The one you use the skin. The skin is not wasted after doing your juice. I will use this skin to make another juice for you, and also the inside I will use it to make juice. So I'm going to focus on the inside. I'm going to introduce myself first. My name is Edith Primo with Ultra Healthy Living. I hope you are eating healthy, living healthy, and be healthy. My passion is to see you guys eating healthy, living healthy, and be healthy. So I am a registered nurse and also a health coach. So today I want to show you how to make pineapple ginger juice for kidney detoxification and also for weight loss. So let us look at the benefits of pineapple ginger juice. Pineapple ginger juice contains anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, guys. And these properties enable you to burn extra fats. It boosts your immune system, increase your metabolism, and also help to lower cholesterol. That is what it does, and it helps to detoxify your organs, especially the kidney. Okay, so those are the benefits of pineapple ginger juice. So you guys, this thing I'm sharing with you, I have used it. It has worked for me and my family. So that's why I'm out here to show you guys that you can lose weight by doing this. And how do you take it? You drink 1 cup on empty stomach in the morning when you wake up, and when you want to sleep in the evening, you take 1 cup. All right, so let's see how many people have called in so that we can kick off. Thank you. You're welcome joining us cooking today. Thank you for joining. And if you don't know me, my name is Edith, and you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Press that notification bell so you can have access to my video weekly, guys. I do post healthy information. So let's dive into today's business. Today is pineapple ginger juice. So what are the ingredients, guys? You need 1 full pineapple. This is natural, organic, guys. Full pineapple. You need ginger. Sorry for the disturbance. We need ginger, and we need lemon. 1 lemon, that's what we are using. We're using ginger and 1 full pineapple. These are all natural, no chemical, guys. So the first thing we'll do, we're going to peel the pineapple. So you're going to peel the skin. Like I told you, the skin is not wasted. I'm going to use the skin to make another type of juice, type of pineapple juice. This is very good. And before you peel it, make sure you wash it very well. Okay? Make sure you wash it very, very well. All right. So I'm making 2 types of pineapple ginger juice at the same time. So here we go. This is ready. So this is going to go into the boiling pot. This is another type of juice, okay? Why I will do the other type for you. So because I have washed it, you put the skin. So the skin is not wasted, as I said. Put it on the pot and cook it. Add your ginger to it. So this is the ginger. Take off the skin. For those that are just joining, what are the benefits of pineapple ginger juice? It contains anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. And these properties help you to lose extra fat, guys. If you want to lose weight, you need to make this juice and drink it. And also, it boosts your metabolism. And it builds your immune system to fight this virus. So you need to do it and drink it. Okay, so this is the ginger. You peel it, take the skin off. All right. So I'm going to add this to the pot and let it cook. And after cooking, you're going to strain it. So you're going to add lemon now. So this, I put this here for now. You need a blender, guys. This is my blender. So I'll peel the inside of the juice and blend it. Right? So this juice is very good. Then this goes into the pot, the boiling pot. All right. Now I have my pineapple in here. So you're gonna chop this ginger into tiny pieces and add it to the pineapple. Make sure you get your strainer ready, okay? This is it. Ginger. So it's not hard to make wherever you are in the world. Those in Nigeria, Africa, those in the United States of America, United Kingdom, wherever you are, Spain, Afghanistan, name it. You can get a pineapple and ginger and get this juice done very, very fast. Then your lemon, take off the skin. Take off the skin of the lemon, as I'm doing now, okay? All right, this is it. Okay, this is ready to blend. So I'm going to add this lemon skin to the pot. So this is another type of juice. When it's boiled for like 30 minutes, you strain it and it's ready to go. But this one is a different one. This is the one I really want you guys to drink for those that I want to lose weight and those that want to do kidney detoxification. You need this. All right. Then you're going to blend it. So we want this. So let it blend very smooth. Okay, so can I go do that with the blender right now? So it's ready, okay? So the next thing to do, get your strainer. I have my strainer here and I have a strainer liner that I just put the cheesecloth. Put it in and you strain it. Here we go, guys. If you are just joining, you are welcome. We are making pineapple ginger juice for kidney detoxification. Okay? Not only for kidney detoxification, it helps you to burn extra fat, so it will help you to lose weight. It boosts your energy level. If you are struggling with energy level, it will boost your energy level. Increase your metabolism, that you are not weak all the time, okay? So this is it. This is how I filter it. Some people do usually the strainer, but I really want to remove all the pulp. Sometimes you can take it with the pulp, but I don't want to take it with the pulp, so I'm going to remove the pulps. So with this, my cheesecloth, right? So I will strain it. You see the way I'm making it? So you can make two types of juice, pineapple ginger juice. This one is to blend it, while the skin, you can also make it another type of juice. So let me finish with this one. It's almost done. So you drink 1 cup of this on empty stomach in the morning and 1 cup in the evening before you sleep. Okay, guys, you will see yourself losing those weights. I really want to lose 10 pounds from my own weight, so I started doing this now. Get that 10 pound off, and we'll be fine. You will see results. Okay. All right. So this juice is ready. So people like to add honey. The pineapple is sweet already, guys. So you don't need to add what? Honey to it. All right. This juice is ready. This is for the entire family. My girls, they love it. My husband loves it too. All right. Here we go. This cloth is very good because it will take all the pulp out and get all the juice out. All right. So this is one way of making the juice. So let's see. This one is ready. So I am going to do the other one. So let's take this out from here. I just want to raise it and put the remaining juice into it. So guys, this is the end product of pineapple ginger juice when you do blend the inside, okay? Drink 1 glass of this on empty stomach, like I said earlier on, and 1 glass of this before you sleep. It will help you to lose weight, help you to have energy, and also detox your kidney and other organs in your body. So let's now go visit the skin of the pineapple. So it's ready. It's ready now, so you leave it to cool down for 30 minutes. Then you strain it. And they put the water in the fridge. Okay? Alright, I have come to the end of this ginger and pineapple juice. I just want to recap for the sake of those that are just joining. What I just did here, I made ginger and pineapple juice. What are the benefits of ginger and pineapple juice? The benefits that it contains anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. And that properties helps you to burn extra fats. It helps to boost your metabolism. It boosts your immune system. It helps with no respiratory system disorder, that you will be able to breathe well. And that is what it does, okay? So please drink 1 glass on empty stomach in the morning and 1 glass before you sleep. Then the other way of making it is putting the skin of the pineapple in a boiling water with ginger and with the lemon peel. Boil it, leave it to cool down in room temperature, strain it, and drink it. So if you have not subscribed to me, please subscribe. Follow me on social media. There are Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, as you are there already. And please click the subscribe button. Click the notification bell so you can have access to all my healthy information weekly. Till then, eat healthy, live healthy, and be healthy. Bye for now. Okay?